so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to draw with me? Yeah, today let's draw a shield. Not just any shield, ARPO shield. Yeah, ARPO is a robot babysitter that takes care of a little boy named Daniel. Okay, to draw ARPO shield, let's draw 2 big circles. Yeah, one, then one right here, just inside that other one. Whoa, there we go. And now we need an A. A for ARPO. Okay, let's go like this. Whee! And then arch down like that. Whoa! Now over here, now up. Whoa! Now we need to follow that line. There we go. Whoa! And last but not least, we need to draw a big yellow circle, just like that. Wow, that looks really good. That was so much fun drawing with you. If you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.